This is a simple knot for attaching hooks and swivels to your line. The first step is to pass the line through the eye of the hook or swivel and pull through about 4 inches of line. Now you begin to wrap this tail end around your main line from say 4 to 8 wraps. Thinner line usually requires more wraps to prevent the knot from slipping. The next step is to pass this tail end through the small loop you've created next to the eye of the hook or swivel you are tying, and slowly start to pull the knot together. It's important at this stage to wet the knot. This not only helps it tighten down correctly, but also prevents friction from burning the nylon and damaging the line. If you're using thicker line, you can use a knot puller like the one I'm using now to help you fully tighten the knot. The final step is to cut off the remaining tail end, making sure not to cut it too close to the knot. And there you have it. That is the half blood knot. Thank you for watching.